researched 100 faceless YouTube niche ideas, and these are the 10 you can try out now. Number 1.
Okay, this is the health and well-being niche. So you can see this channel, healthy long life. So this is an example of a channel in this niche. It's a faceless YouTube channel where the owners of this channel simply make research about food that can actually make someone stay healthy and longer. Okay, so you can see this video about Arnold, how he said he's 77 years old and he's still fit. So you can check out this channel before starting your own faceless YouTube channel in this niche. And as you can see, this channel is making around $916 to $14,000 per month, and it just started last year February. All right, so this is Social Blade start, and this YouTube channel is monetized. As you can see, I use Linux. Linux is a free website where you can check if a YouTube channel is monetized or not. All right, so I'm going to use this this software to check all the YouTube niche ideas I'll be sharing with you in this video. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Okay, so the next niche is product review niche. So this is another faceless YouTube channel. An example of a channel in this niche is this channel, Vacuum Wars. Okay, so what this channel basically does, right, is that they will purchase various gadgets and review them. All right, so and also they partner with the owners or the manufacturers of this product, so they will come to their channel, review this product, and people will actually buy. So if you come to one of their video right here, so you can see this video. All right, they have tons of affiliate links where anybody that purchases any product, they will get a penny or something from what the customer has already purchased. So this is a niche to consider. So if you are coming to this niche, just make sure you touch point with this channel to give you some ideas. So if you come to Social Blade here, you can see that this channel is making $284 to $4,000 per month, right? Can you see now? So and this channel has 318,000 subscribers. Okay, so they've been here around for so long, since 2013, right? So that's a very long time. Okay, so and also this channel is monetized. So as you can see, the channel is monetized. So if you are considering coming to this niche, this is your best bet. Okay. Okay, so the next niche is movie. So if you're a movie lover, so you can actually come into this niche. So this channel, Flick Connection, so what it basically does, right, is to go over movies that has already been out and then make a little review about it, and also give you teasers of movies that are coming, and also recommend the movies that you can actually watch. So you may not actually need to show your face in these channels, as people will be interested in watching movies. Of course, I'm a lover of movie watching myself. All right, so that is that. This channel is in fact making around $818 to $13,000 per month. They have 549k subscribers, and this number will just keep growing up, because as more and more movies are coming in, more people are interested in it. Okay, so this channel is in fact monetized.
Okay, our next niche is AI. Okay, this niche is one of the most trending niche right now. So look at this channel, AI Guy. So what this channel basically does is to use various AI tools to help creators grow their YouTube channel. So you can see this video full monetization course. Use AI, viral history shots. Use AI to edit all these videos. So another sub niche under AI is AI news. So look at this channel, AI Uncovered. Okay, so they have 335 videos and 128 subscribers. So what this channel basically do is to bring to limelight the new trending news about AI. Alright, so you can see this one, the new recent search GPT that OpenAI just launched. So this is the news, and you can get so much insight from this channel. So if you are planning on starting a faceless YouTube channel in this niche, so you want to touch base with this channel in order to give you some insightful idea. And you can also search Google for AI trends and the like. So another channel is AI Genesis. Okay, so this YouTube channel also may use AI to upscale your editing skill while before posting on YouTube. So many, and this channel, for example, AI Guy making $262 to $4,000 per month. That is big. And AI Uncovered is also making $176 to $2,000 per month. And this channel they are growing. Okay, so and AI Genesis is monetized, AI Uncovered is monetized, and AI Guy channel is also monetized. So the next niche is crypto. Now look at this channel, everything crypto. So what this channel basically do is to give you signals about the booming cryptocurrency on the market right now. So they'll tell you the signals so that you can buy or sell your coin. So it's just a faceless YouTube channel, but you know that you have to make your research in order not to give people false information. So anytime there is a market, right, for crypto, people will start paying so much to know about the next boom in crypto. So this channel is making around, say, just $6 to $103. As I said, Social Blade start is just an estimate, so the channel will be earning more than this. So they have just 23,000 subscribers, and it has been around since April 2017, and this channel is monetized. So guys, our next niche is the Howto niche. So look at this channel, 5 Minute Craft. So this is one of the best popular channel in this niche. So what this channel basically do is to do some simple homemade craft. So if you have a basic knowledge on how to use simple things in the house to get viewers engaged, something that people will not really buy expensive things to use, so you can actually come into this niche. So but just make sure you touch base with this channel before going ahead. So their channel, you can see, look at this video, 42 holy grail acts that will save you a fortune. Very funny title. That's 285 million views. So this channel is actually making it. All right, so their social based start 19,000 to 307,000 per month. Wow, this is huge. And then their channel is also monetized. All right. Okay, our next niche is specialist explanation. So look at this niche, look at this channel here, Economics Explained. So what this channel basically do is to explain things that relates to economics, Right now, look at this Brazil boom and bust. So there are so many videos here that talks about economics, economic condition of the world and the like. So if you are knowledgeable in some particular field, maybe science, maybe a doctor, a psychology, an economist, you can just come to YouTube, start a YouTube channel that discusses or talks about what you do and how, just give people knowledge about what you do and how it might also help them. So this is what this channel is actually doing. So you don't need to show your face, you just need to get some footage and just make some voice over. And this channel is making around $804 to $13,000 per month. Okay, so they've been around since 2012, and this channel is in fact monetized. Okay, so the next niche is the motivation niche. Okay, so this niche is very simple to come into, very easy. So you can just go to ChatGPT and just tell ChatGPT to write you best maybe 5 motivational quotes or something. So ChatGPT will generate it for you, right? And you can just create a YouTube Faceless channel, maybe hire a voiceover artist, or you can also use your own voice yourself. Now look at this channel, Motivacity, and one of the top motivational channel in this niche. So so what they basically do is to give you some motivational speech stories. Okay, and you can see their thumbnail is very engaging and interesting. So this niche is, well, if you want to start your Faceless YouTube channel, I think you should consider it because it's very easy to make. All right, so as you can see, this channel is earning $1.2 thousand to $19,000 per month. Wow, and they have over 3 million subscribers, and this channel is in fact monetized. Okay, you can see they are monetized. So this niche is a very lucrative one if you want to come into it. Okay, so our next niche is a personal finance niche. All right, so this is an example of a channel in this niche. So what this channel basically do is to use animation, sketch animation, to explain how people should save money, just give you some various advices on how to manage money. You can look at this one, progress too slow, don't do this, silent money. So many videos here about personal finance. So if you are a lover of how you can make people invest legibly in things, so you can actually create a Faceless YouTube channel and start giving people advice, okay, on how to manage their money. So this channel is making over $52 to $838 per month. All right, so these stats are not static, as I've said earlier. This is just an estimate. Okay, this channel is in fact monetized. So okay, so guys, the last niche I want to talk about is documentary. Okay, so this niche, right, is very easy to know, just like the motivation speak we spoke about earlier. So you can just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you some histories, maybe about Africa or so, or America, so any country or anything about that you are so passionate about, maybe history about the evolution of animals, history about the earth, so many things. So you can just go to maybe Pixabay to get some stock footage about. So this is what this channel does, right? So though they are very more advanced, so you just need to get some footages to align with what you have been saying. Okay, so this niche is very easy to come into as well. So you don't need to show your face. You just need to maybe employ a voiceover artist, or you can use your voice yourself. Okay, so as you can see, this niche is monetized. Okay.
All right, that is the 10 niche ideas, guys. So make sure you try them out, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, I will see you in the next video.